easy movement with chair lifts. Chair lifts are useful in enhancing the mobility of the people with handicaps. There are various types of chair lifts in the market, ranging from those that raise the chair to another level for stairs or vehicles to lifts that raise a person to a level that will allow them to stand. The most popular chair lifts are those that help people in wheelchairs get up the stairs. There are various models and brands of chair lifts that can help perform this function. To choose the right chair is very important. For people who have difficulty in getting up from the chair lifts offer an opportunity for them for more freedom and normalcy in movements. The main difference of a normal chair from a chair lift is that the chair lifts are built with a motor. The motor lifts the chair and aids the user to stand up out of that chair. A chair lift can also prevent a user from flopping down by coming up to meet the user. A good chair lift can put the user in a standing position. Selecting the right chair lift becomes difficult since there are so many models in the market. Many lift chairs look like a sofa, bed, accent chair, or a love seat. You should judge them in terms of looks, comfort, and functionality. Other factors of consideration are the size and height. The size of the chair lift needs to be matches with the needs of the user. Too small and too large a chair can pose problems. The weight of the user and the power source are two other factors on which the type of chair lift will depend. Different chairs have varying weight capacities. Some of the chair lifts plug into traditional outlets, while others use a battery pack. There are some that have both these facilities. Examining the weight capacity of the chair before picking it up is a must. There are various other things that need to be checked before buying the chair lift. Some of them are the frames, comfort level and footrest angle, hand rim, wheels, wheel locks, and front and back balance. There are various safety measures that one should follow while using a chair lift. Make sure that it is in good condition all the time. Turn the power off when leaving it on a slope or inclined plane. Use the brakes when not in motion and select a brake that can be released or set by the user. Check the battery every time before going out and keep a cell phone handy.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.